Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly and I like to do videos like this: fashion, styling, lifestyle, and music related videos. So in today's video, I will be doing an apartment tour. So this has become an annual video for me because I seem to move every single year. My parents love that. So I still live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, but this time I moved in with my sister and we're both so excited about it. We are very close, very tight, and it's been so much fun living together and decorating our space. So I'm still in my favorite neighborhood in Fishtown in Philly, but we got a 2-bedroom apartment. It's bi-level, and it's been so much fun decorating it together and making our space feel really homey. So it's taken several months to really decorate the place, and I've made some new purchases. So each year my apartment space seems to look different, and I'm really happy with the final result. So I hope you guys enjoy this too. So I'll be sure to link as much of the products and the furniture items as I can down in the description box below. If I can't seem to find a link or it's sold out, I'll try to link something similar. But if you have any questions about Philadelphia or Fishtown, feel free to comment them below. Thanks again for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. So as soon as you walk in the door, this is what you see. It's our living room, kitchen area. Here's the front door. We have a cute little mirror and mail station. Our keys are there. Little picture of my hometown. As you walk in, here's our living room. So let me start here. So this is our little TV area. The little trunk here, my best friend's husband made it for us and we love it. We can store things in there, and it's perfect to place our TV on. In here we have our laundry washer and dryer, and then in here it's just some additional storage, which is awesome to have. So right here we have like a coat rack because there wasn't a coat closet or anything. So we got this cool little coat rack from At Home and it's perfect. So we just keep a few of our winter coats here. Then we have a light here. We got to store our masks somewhere. And then I have this little basket where I keep some of my filming supplies and then my yoga mat in there, which is really handy. So then moving over into this little corner, we have my plant, a lamp here, a really pretty gallery wall. And then we have the sofa. I got this futon from Wayfair. It's great. I've had it for 2 years and it's still in really good condition. The coffee table was from Amazon, as well as the side table. The chair, I believe, was from Marshall's, and kind of jazzed it up with, you know, faux fur on there, like a little throw. And then I love these pillows. I got these also from Amazon too. I love like the mustard color. So this little centerpiece, I've had this for quite a while. The tray, I believe, is from Marshall's. You know, some candles. The faux flowers are from Amazon. Over here, I got these adorable coasters from a girlfriend for my birthday. I believe they're from Amazon and they're so cute. This poor plant, I need to revive it. So then looking at the gallery wall, I've had some of these pictures for quite some time. I don't even remember where they're from. I can place it in the description below if you're interested in purchasing these things. This I just got as a Christmas gift from a girlfriend. It's so cute. She made it herself and it works perfectly in my living room. I'm so obsessed. So then in this little corner, I have my dumbbells and all my workout stuff in this basket, and I just kind of conceal that with like a blanket and throw. So whenever we're cold, we can just use a blanket, grab it from here. Here's the view from our window. It's just some more apartments in Philadelphia. So then moving over to the kitchen area and dining area. So here is, you know, our little dining table, and it's perfect. You know, it's small, and then we can keep the benches underneath the table. And if, you know, we have guests over, or, you know, we want to sit here for dinner or whatever, we'll just, you know, pull the benches out. So this works out great. Got this little gather sign from Hobby Lobby. Some beautiful tulips. this cute little salt and pepper. I got it for Christmas. I believe it's from Anthropologie. Love that. And here is our first bathroom. So this is a half bath. Here is our half bathroom. The tiles are so cool. Everything's white. We have like black hardware trim. I store just extra towels here. Here's the mirror. Cool light fixture. So adorable. And then here is the kitchen. So this is my bar cart. I've had it for quite some time. It's from IKEA. I did like a DIY on it. That's how we kind of decorated it. I just celebrated a birthday, so my birthday card. Love these flutes. They're from Anthropologie. So cute. Here's the kitchen. So all brand new appliances, which are so nice. We have some good storage. Here I got this little fruit basket from At Home. So yeah, so the counters are really cool. I'm not sure what type of material it is, but it's so pretty. So we store just like all our utensils in this little basket here. We have our cutting board. This is like a cute little hack if you don't really have that much storage space, is to put your spices in these little magnetic containers and put it on your refrigerator, so to take up less space. Love that. So here's the rest of our countertop. So we have this cute little coffee station over here, which is really nice. There's our sink. We have a dish drying rack here. Another plant, it seems to be dying as well. Got our dishwasher, our trash. And really love this exposed shelving. It looks so pretty, and we tried to incorporate and stylize our dishware in a really cute way. Each season we kind of do different cups and mugs and all that. So I got this garland, this green garland from Homplistic, and it looks super cute. So then turn in the corner, we have this kitchen island, which is great. I believe I got it from Wayfair. I'll link below exactly where I got it. So we just have some baskets under here, and we store some kitchen products. We have our pots and pans in there. Got this really cute marble tray from a girlfriend, and I believe it's from Anthropologie, and just have a candle here in the center. But yeah, so this is our first floor living room and kitchen area. Now I'll bring you upstairs. So then, you know, right by the front door, we have our stairwell that leads to the second floor. So coming up here, I just keep my guitar and my famous tree branch here. I didn't find a home for it, this apartment. We have a nice full-length mirror. Love this vase and pampas grass. And then this is where I put all my hats, because we just had a lot of wall, like really high ceilings here. So put that up to kind of fill in the white gap here. Have this really pretty canvas painting here. Little wall basket to store my makeup container. And then these two rooms lead into my bedroom and my sister's bedroom. My sister is my roommate. So have this really cute little wall hanging bookshelf from Amazon. So this is my bedroom. So it's tiny, but it's so cute. So I have kind of like a very zen boho type of a feel. Have this cute little gallery wall. This is from Amazon. This is from At Home. I'm not quite sure where these two are from. I know the print there is from Homplistic, and then the imprint below is from my best friend's shop, Slate and Brush Design. I'll be sure to link it. So then in this corner, I have my dresser here and my piano right above, and then my TV here. I have this cute little vase in the corner with pampas grass. And then over in this corner is a shelf where I keep all of my hair products. I have a lot of hair, so I have a lot of products. And then right above it, I just had a birthday, so those are some birthday cards, is a jewelry organizer from Amazon. It's got a lot of storage, so I'll definitely link that below. So then I just wall mounted my TV here, and then over in this corner I just store some of my handbags. That's my vision board. And then I have this fun little display wall where I have my DIY'd tree branches where I hang all my jewelry and my cute little heart above. So in there is my closet. Here's my window, my bed, all that. So I got a new duvet comforter from Target. I love it. It's pretty great. I believe this crochet macrame is from At Home. Once again, I'll link it below, but it's super pretty. Then I got another vase and some palm fronds. Diffuser, got my crystals, a candle, another salt lamp, and just a picture of my sister and I. Then over here, I got my bedside table. I've had this lamp for years. It was like my great-grandmother's crystal lamp, which is so pretty. These, I believe, are from Homeplistic, those really cute coasters. Then I got my Alexa, or my Google Home, one of those, a mini fan that helps with like white noise in a city. This one I believe is from Amazon. It works pretty well. Little jewelry organizer. And then I love this little thing. I actually got it from a thrift store. It was legit like $1, and I just placed my perfumes right on it. So here is the view, same as, you know, the kitchen one. We are starting to get some snow in Philadelphia. It looks so pretty. This is a blackout curtain. I believe I got it from Target. And then I love these little beads. These are from Homeplistic. I think they, you know, tie back to the aesthetic of this room. And then also I'm able to just kind of pull the curtain away. So I love that. So as soon as you exit my bedroom, back in the hallway. So I didn't really have enough room for my other dresser, so it fits perfectly in this corner. And then this is where I do my makeup and hair. The baskets here are from Amazon. I think they're so cute. The mirror's from Target. The vase is from At Home. And then I got some additional palm fronds and pampas grass that I think looks so pretty. So here is our full bath. So it has that really cool like black trim. We had to change our light bulb. Like mirror and light fixture. Here's the shower. The tiling in the bathroom is really cool too. It's like vertical subway tiles. Still all of the black trim. So then we have this cool like boho black and white rug, our hand towels, little decor. And then this is where we kind of store all of our toiletries. I believe this is from Walmart. Good storage. These cute little decor items. And then here's the other side of the vanity and sink. And then we just put like some additional toiletries and baskets underneath there. You know, pretty self-explanatory. So moving on into the second bedroom. So this is my sister's bedroom. Her style is definitely completely opposite from mine. She's got all pink. She's a girly girl. So that's her window. She's got these cute snowflake lights. Her little vanity, her closet. She's got the faux fur rug. And then continuing over to the little corner is her little office space area. So cute. And she has this really cool all black statement wall. So her little office area, I'm really not quite sure where all of her belongings and furniture are from. I believe she got the chair and desk from Overstock, but I'll link things below. The bookshelf, I forget where that's from. The comforter, I believe she also got from Overstock. Bed frame might be Home Goods. Little bedside table, I'm not sure where that's from. This cool F. Scott Fitzgerald quote is from Home Goods. She has her blackout curtains from Target as well.